Doing a real simple, tasty side dish, potatoes au gratin. Very easy to make. We just need a couple of russet potatoes, about 16 ounces of, I like cheddar jack, and 1 jar of paste con queso cheese. A little bit of kick to it. So we're going to cut our ends off and we're going to peel our russet potatoes. And then we're going to slice them nice and thin. If you have a mandolin, that works great. If you have one of these little knives I bought years and years ago, which you can adjust the arm for the thickness of your slices, that's also great. Otherwise, take your time with the chef knife and just get it as thin as you can. So we're going to slice these potatoes up nice and thin. And then we're going to take our baking dish and we're going to spray it with Pam so nothing sticks. Then we're going to open up our paste con queso sauce and pour about half of the jar right into it. Sometimes they're hard to open. You got to hit it from the bottom. Alright, get that in there and we'll take a spoon and just spread that out as even as we can. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to melt down in the heat of the oven. And once we have that nice and spread out, we're going to start to make our layers. We're going to start layering down potato. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, and subscribe, and tell all your friends and family about the channel. I really appreciate it. So we'll get the potatoes laid down for layer number 1. And once we have the first layer down, we're just going to cover that layer with the shredded cheese. And we're going to do this 3 times. We're going to have 3 layers of potato, cheese, potato, cheese, potato, cheese. Very simple. Almost like you're making a lasagna, but you're using potato instead of pasta. Speed this up a little bit so you can get an idea. And then this is going to be our last layer of cheese. And we've got our oven preheated at 375. And we're going to put that in there for 1 hour. At about 40 minutes, you're going to want to cover that with aluminum foil to stop the top from getting too brown. And there you have potatoes au gratin, ready to be a side dish for chicken, steak, or whatever you're making, or you can have it all alone as a side dish if you're a vegan. Alright, thanks for watching.